So are you a business owner who is investing a lot of time in sending the business flyers to your customers on WhatsApp? Then this video is for you all. Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can send business flyers to your customers on WhatsApp automatically. So let's take an example that you are a tour and travel business owner and you want to send your business flyers to your customers on WhatsApp on a regular basis. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your flyers like your URLs of the flyers, then collect the details of your customers from the Google Sheet, manually compose a message in WhatsApp and copy and paste the flyers to all your customers manually and send it to them on their WhatsApp number. But this will be a time consuming and a tiresome process. The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever you add a URL of your business flyer into your Google Sheet, automatically all your customers are going to receive those flyers on their WhatsApp numbers with a message, and that too automatically. For this, we need to create a connection between Google Sheets and WhatsApp. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. So we are back on my screen. Here we are going to search for Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By creating an account, you are going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Google Sheets to WhatsApp integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window over here. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to send the business flyers to our customers on WhatsApp. So we have a Google Sheet in which we have pasted the links of our business flyers. So this is my Google Sheet and here I have pasted a link of my business flyer. So I want to create a connection between this particular Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect. For that, just open this trigger window, choose the application name as Google Sheets. Select the trigger event as new or updated spreadsheet row. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So by following these instructions, you can set up the webhook in your Google Sheets and you can create an integration between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So I'll directly take you to my Google Sheets. Here the sheet name is business flyer links and the spreadsheet name is business flyer links and the sheet name is flyers. So to create an integration, we have to just click on extensions and click on add-ons and click on get add-ons. So it will take us to Google Workspace Marketplace. Here we have to search for Pabbly Connect. Okay, I just type it over here, that is Pabbly Connect webhooks. You have to install Pabbly Connect webhooks on your system. As you can see that it is already installed on my system. I'll just close this window. But remember, after installing Pabbly Connect webhooks on your system, you have to refresh your Google Sheet. I repeat, after installing Pabbly Connect webhooks on your system, you have to refresh your Google Sheet. Now once the Google Sheet is refreshed, again come to extensions. This time come to Pabbly Connect webhooks and click on initial setup. Now here it is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So here we have to paste the webhook URL which we have seen in Pabbly Connect. So we are going to copy this webhook URL from here and we will be pasting the same webhook URL over here. Now the trigger column is required. The trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So in my case, you can see that I have the data in column A only. So my trigger column will be column A over here. Say if you have the data till column C and you want the data to be captured till column C, then give the trigger column as column C over here. Okay, and let's click on send test. Test data sent successfully. Okay, now let's click on submit. So we have set the integration between this particular Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect. Now again come to extensions, click on Pabbly Connect webhooks and this time come to send on event option. Just click on it. So why we are selecting the send on event option? Just because next time whenever you are going to add any of the data or any of the links to this particular Google Sheet, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the links. We don't have to link this particular Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect again and again. So make sure you have a tick mark on the send on event option in this way. Okay. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and we are going to just scroll down and here we can see that the response is received and all the details of the Google Sheet are captured over here. Here we can find the spreadsheet name as business flyer links. Here we can find the sheet name as flyers and here we can find the link. Okay, the flyer link. So now we want to send the flyer link to all the customers on WhatsApp. For that we need the customer data over here in Pabbly Connect. So I have already created a Google Sheet named clients data where I have all the details of my customer like his name, email address and the mobile number. So we are going to just capture this complete data in Pabbly Connect. For that, come to this action step, choose the application name as Google Sheets once again. Select the action event as Get Rows. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection and click on Connect with Google Sheets. Now as I am already logged into my account, it is asking me to choose an account. So I'll be choosing my account where I have created my Google Sheet. Pabbly Connect Sheets wants additional access to your Google account. Okay, so let's click on continue and give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. And now the Google Sheets are connected to Pabbly Connect. So as we have created a connection, here we can find all the spreadsheets that I have created in my account. Okay, all the spreadsheet names are captured over here. So the spreadsheet which we are using right now is clients data and the sheet name is sheet 1. So we have to select the same spreadsheet name and the sheet name over here in Pabbly Connect. So the spreadsheet name is clients data. And here you can see that the sheet name is automatically captured just because I have created a single sheet in this particular spreadsheet. If you have created multiple sheets, from the drop down you can select your specific sheet name. Now here we have to give the range. Enter range of the sheet. You can use A2:D to get all the filled rows. Okay, so I'll take you to my Google Sheet and in this way we can select the range and here we can find the range as A2:C12. But if you are updating this sheet on a regular basis, if you are adding the details of the clients to this sheet, then we are not going to give the end row, okay, and all the data will get captured automatically. For that we are just going to give the starting row and column and we will not be specifying the end row and so we will be taking the complete details over here and the range would be A2:C. Okay, we are not specifying the end row. So the complete data will be captured over here, okay, in Pabbly Connect. Now before clicking on save and send test request, just make this simple response to advanced response. The data will be captured in the array format altogether. So why we are capturing the data in the array format? Just because say you are having 100 rows or 1000 rows data in a Google Sheet, then complete data will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So we are going to just click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received and in the response we have got the result in the array format. Okay. So now we want to segregate this data properly in a specific manner, in the row manner. So to segregate the data, we are going to just apply an iterator over here. So click on this plus sign, add action step. Choose the application name as Iterator. And here you can choose the array. So the array is automatically captured, this particular array, the response result of Google Sheet. Okay, here we can see the array is automatically captured, and let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received, and now here we can find the details of the customer. Name as Smita Sharma, this is her email address, mobile number and the row index. So I'll show you the row index 2 over here, and here you can see the row index 2. Name as Smita Sharma, her email address and the mobile number. So Iterator segregates the data from the array format to the row format. Now we can send the message to this particular customer. We can send the business flyer on WhatsApp. For that, come to Pabbly Connect. For sending the messages on WhatsApp, we have to just click on this plus sign, add actions tab, and we have to choose the application name as 360 dialog. Select the action event as send template message. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. So I'll take you to my 360 dialog account over here. This is the dashboard of 360 dialog account. I have added the link of 360 dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 dialog application and get 360 dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to come to WhatsApp accounts. And here we can find generate API key button. So you have to simply click on it. You have to generate the API key, copy that API key, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various different connections and workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. Now the domain is required. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key, and the example is also given. So I'll be copying this example from here and I'll be pasting the same example over here. Now whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain by default. In your case, if you get some other domain, please paste that domain over here. After pasting API key and domain, simply click on save. As I have already created a connection, I'll choose this option, that is select existing connection, and I'll click on save. And now 360 dialog account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select a template. So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we need to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook, and once the template is approved, then only we can use that particular template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. So I'll take you to my 360 dialog account once again, and here we can find manage templates option. Simply click on this. Now here you can see that I have created several templates and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, click on this plus sign, add template. You can give a name to the template over here. You can select the category as per your requirement. Various categories are available. Here you can select the language of your choice. You can select a template type over here and just give a template body text over here. That is the message that you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Then click on preview and submit. It will be going for the approval, and once this template is approved, you can use this particular template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll just close this template and I'll open the one which I have already created and got it approved, that is business flyers. And here you can see that I have given some numbers in the curly braces, number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are the body fields, and the values of these body fields are going to change every time according to the customer. Okay. So let's read this template. Hello. Number 1, here we want the name of the customer to be displayed. We have attached a brochure with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our product. Link, here you can give your business flyer link. For more details, you can visit our website. Here you can specify your website address. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Regards, and here you can give your business name. So if the name of the customer is Smita, so if we type the name over here, that is Smita, in this way you can see that the message will get generated whenever the values are given in this body fields. So we have to select the same template, that is business flyers, over here in Pabbly Connect. So let us find the same template over here, that is business flyers. Now here we can see that the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to make any changes over here. Now the recipient mobile number is required. Let us read the instructions. Enter the recipient mobile number with country code. So here we have to map the WhatsApp number of the customer, which we have already received from the Google Sheets. This is the WhatsApp number. So we are going to map this WhatsApp number right here along with the country code. So let us map the WhatsApp number from get rows. Sorry, we have to map it from iterator because we have segregated the data. This is the WhatsApp number and we have to add the country code. So as we are in India, I am just adding +91. Here you have to add your country code and make sure you have mapped the WhatsApp number of the customer over here. Now body field 1 is required, example name. So we are going to map the name from iterator and the name was Smita Sharma. Here we have to give body field 2. So let us see the template. In body field 2, the link of your brochure is required. So we have to map the link from Google Sheets, which we have got from new and updated spreadsheet row. And this is your new flyer link. Now it is asking for your body field 3, example, your website address. So I'm just adding the website address as www.vacationcalendar.in. Okay, and here in body field 4, let us give the company name as Vacation Calendar itself. Okay, so we have added all the values over here. Now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means the customer has received a message along with your flyer on this WhatsApp number. Let's check it. Okay, and here we can find a message. Hello Smita Sharma, we have attached a brochure with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our product. Here you can see the link. For more details, you can visit our website. Here you can see the website address. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. So we have added an extra note over here. In this way, you can also add a note in your messages. Please save this number in your contacts, just because if the customer is not saving your contacts, this particular link will not be clickable. The customer will not be able to access this particular link. So to make the link clickable, the customer needs to save your contact number in his contact list. Regards, Vacation Calendar. So in this way, we can see that a correct message is delivered to the customer and the values of the body fields are correctly displayed. This was the body field value 1, Smita Sharma, the name of the customer. The second was your link. Third was your website address. And the fourth was your business name. So all the values are correctly displayed. Now let's check this link also. Okay, and here we can find a Goa calling flyer, and here also in the sheet we can find the same flyer attached. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine and the correct flyer is shared with your customer on his WhatsApp number. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. So as we have created a connection between your Google Sheets and WhatsApp, next time whenever you are going to add a business flyer to your Google Sheet, automatically the same flyer will be shared with all your customers on their WhatsApp number along with the message. So let's check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just move to my business flyer link Google Sheet and I'll be adding a new link over here. So I've added the link over here, the flyer link. Now let us check whether the customers have received any WhatsApp message or not. So I'm just moved to WhatsApp account. Okay, and here we have got a new message. Hello Smita Sharma, I have got one more new message. I'll tell you why I have got two messages for two different persons over here. Let's read the message first. Hello Smita Sharma, we have attached a brochure with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our product. Here we can find the link, here we can find the website address, and here we can find the business name. So let's check this particular flyer. And here we can find a flyer named Explore World. Okay. And let us check whether the same flyer was attached in our business flyer link of a spreadsheet or not. Yes, here we can find the same flyer link, Explore World. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine and the customers are getting the WhatsApp messages on their mobile numbers, on their WhatsApp numbers. So I have received this message for Radha Kalra also, just because in the client's data sheet, I have given the same WhatsApp number for two customers just to check whether our integration is actually working fine or not. So in the real time, the messages are delivered to both the customers. Okay, here you can see the customer name as Smita, and here you can find the second customer name as Radha. And here in the message also, we have got the same message. This was the previous message, and in the real time, we have got this new message for Smita Sharma as well as for Miss Radha. So in this way, our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, I'll just minimize this Google Sheet as well as the trigger window also. So first we have created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect just to capture business flyer link details. Then we have used the action step of Google Sheets once again to capture the details of all your clients in Pabbly Connect so that we can send the messages. Then we have used Iterator just to segregate the data because we have got the customer data in the array format. So Iterator segregates the data from the array format to the row format. And at last, using all these details of the customers as well as your business flyer links, we have sent the message on the WhatsApp number of the customers along with your business flyer link. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Google Sheets and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.